Welcome to the Game Audio Resource WiseCube game series. This guide will highlight how to implement a new reverb type to the existing default types available. Also, the guide will show you how to implement reverb zones into a map. Before we begin, you will notice reverb is not playing in the default map MET L3 for the test footsteps. This is due to one simple setting in Wwise. To enable any game-wide sound effect or dialogue to use the reverb zone effect in Wwise data, ensure game-defined auxiliary sends is ticked on the content you want to use the reverb effect. When we cleaned up the project, we have purposely left the default reverb zone data and will now add a new reverb zone type. Navigate to the Project Explorer Share Sets tab, open the Hierarchy Effects, then Default Work Unit. These are the list of the 4 current default reverb types. Let us add a new one. Select and copy any one of the reverb types. Paste the copy into the same location under Effects, Default Work Unit. Rename the container EMV_outside. Double-click the container to bring up its properties. Note, you will not be able to play the effect at this time. For now, change the values to match the screenshot on screen now. In the Project Explorer Audio tab, locate the Master Mixer Hierarchy, Master Audio Bus, Environmental, Environment, Audio Bus. Rename it Reverb_environments. In the audio bus, you should see the 4 default reverb types. Copy and paste any one of them into the same location. Then name it EMV_outside. Select the new aux bus to bring up the properties in the Property Editors panel. Select the Effects tab. Double-click the item in the Name column, then select the new effect EMV_outside. Generate the sound banks and then save the Wwise project updates. Wwise is now set up with a new reverb type plus the original 4 default types. Next, we need to assign the new reverb type to a map. In your directory, locate this file: cube/cube/packages/base/metl3.cfg. Open the map in Notepad++. You will see 4 default reverb types already set up. Copy one line, then rename it to match the Wwise ShareSet effect name. To aid a quick view, add /5 at the end of the line consistently to the above script lines. Save the script under Notepad's toolbar File, then Save or press Ctrl+S. The last step is to tag the reverb zones into each map. Note this is a manual process and will take some time if you plan to tag all maps. Boot up the game's default map, MET L3. Press E on your keyboard to bring up the map edit mode. Select a square with the mouse left click. Hold the click, then drag out the selected area you wish to assign a reverb zone type to. Release the mouse left click. With the area selected, press the command line button on your keyboard to bring up the command input. Now type setwise EMV_5, then press enter. Press E to exit edit mode. Now move your player character in and out of the new reverb zone. You should hear the reverb being applied in the new area only. Once you have implemented the reverb zones to a full map, added all Wwise new reverb zones that you wish to use, save the map updates. Press the command line button on your keyboard, then type Save Map, followed by pressing Enter. The reverb effect is now fully implemented into the map. If you are happy with your implementation added, progress on to tagging other maps with reverb zones. Try to stick to the principal process you have implemented with the first map to keep a consistent soundscape throughout the game. Scope how many maps you will tag with reverb, add a task time estimation to the project tracker, plus schedule when you will do these tasks.